Hi pioneers and friends, I am Edwin. The rate at which Pi coins have been emptied from people's wallet is very disheartening and scary as well. This could happen to anybody without exception. Therefore, there is need for all of us to be vigilant and even put extra care. We also need knowledge to be able to know what exactly to do. The comments and questions that arise from my recent video on how to secure your unlocked PyCon actually shows that there is still some gaps of knowledge to be filled. So friends, in this video, I would like to talk more on two-factor authentication and the passphrase. What is the difference? What did these two means? Perhaps by having the understanding and having the simple basic technical knowledge of what passphrase and two-factor authentication really means will help us to know how these steps occur and how we can prevent it. So we are going to basically talk about this and also address the question that a lot of people are asking: how exactly can they change a new wallet to receive the next batch of Pi? These are the very things we want to unpack in this video, and I sincerely implore you not to skip any part of this video so that you can get the full understanding of what all of this is. If this is your first time of joining us, you are most welcome, and please don't go away without liking this video. Subscribe to Crypto Talk and turn on the post notification so that you'll be informed when we upload new videos. Please share these videos and our other videos so that other pioneers can have this knowledge and safeguard themselves. So let's get a little bit technical here. What exactly is two-factor authentication, popularly known as 2FA? Two-factor authentication is a second layer of security for your Pi network account. When you log in into your app to make changes like updating your profile, starting KYC, you usually enter password, assuming you are logged off from the Pi network system and other apps around too. Then, most times, a unique code is sent via SMS, email, or an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. This code often is a 6-digit TOTP, which means time-based one-time password. And this code will be used to verify that you are the real owner of that device and have the access to log in into that app. So in reality, 2FA works by leveraging something you know, which is the password, and something that you have, which is your smartphone or your device or your email. It is great for protecting app level access, reducing the risk of unauthorized login by up to 99.9% according to cybersecurity studies. But here is the catch: 2FA only protects your Pi network accounts, not your wallet, where the Pi coins that are being stolen today, that is the focus of our discussion, are stored. Your wallet operates on Pi's blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger where transactions are cryptographically signed. 2FA secures the app's front-end interface only, but your coins, our target, lived in a separate world. Blockchain-based wallet is tied to a private key. So let's talk about what really guards the wallet. Your Pi wallet is protected by one thing and one thing only: your wallet passphrase. This passphrase typically 12 or 24 words, as the case with Pi network wallet. What it actually means or does is that it is a human readable representation of your private key, a cryptographic string that proves ownership of your coins on Pi's blockchain. Unlike traditional bank accounts, Pi's non-custodial wallet means that you controls this key and not the Pi core team. So let's face the fact. This is how it works. Your passphrase is used to generate a public private key pair. The public key creates your wallet address for receiving Pi, while the private key derived from your passphrase signs transactions to spend or transfer coins. And that is why your private key is so powerful. So without the private key, no one can move your coins. But with it, anyone with your passphrase can access your wallet instantly. No 2FA is required. And that is why when some people said the Pi core should put a 2FA in place to mitigate this theft of Pi coin, the answer is that such system can't be developed. If it does, then it is not yet decentralized. And a lot of people mistaken the 2FA that is associated with safeguarding our fund on exchange. So why could this happen on the Pi network wallets? The difference between the exchange and the Pi network wallet is that the Pi network wallet is decentralized in nature and is on the blockchain. But the exchange wallet is a company set up by a group of individuals, so it is not decentralized. They monitor everything that goes into it. So when you send fund to your exchange, the fund is actually being deposited and is the responsibility of the company to keep an eye or safeguard those funds. And that is why the 2FAs of the exchange actually safeguard your assets, but not in the same way with the Pi wallet, which is operated solely on the blockchain. Blockchain transactions bypass app level security. Once someone imputes your passphrase into a compatible wallet app, they can sign transactions as if they were you, draining your funds. So any address on the network. And that is exactly what is happening to so many pioneers today. So your passphrase is your only defense. Lose it and you lose everything. Ask yourself, have you shared your passphrase with anyone? Even briefly, is it stored online, in notes, email, or a cloud backup? Did someone assist you with a lost device or account recovery? If yes, your wallet could be vulnerable right now. I may bold to say that all hope is not lost. Here is a sneaky trick to test your wallet security. When your next batch of locked Pi coins unlocks, follow these simple tricks or steps. Create a new wallet with a fresh passphrase, generating a new private key. Transfer most of your coins to this new wallet address, using the Pi Network's blockchain transaction protocol as normal. Leave a tiny, like 0.5 Pi or thereabouts in your original wallet. Think of it as a digital Crumb. Monitor that wallet using a blockchain explorer or logging back to it from time to time. If that Crumb that you left disappears without your action, the original passphrase has been compromised and someone is monitoring your wallet. So you need to change that wallet to a fresh one. This trick leverages the transparency of blockchain to catch thieves before they strike your balance. So we need to act and act smart, right? Well, in any case, create a new wallet if your old or primary wallet is at risk. If you suspect it is compromised, generate a new private key, simple, and transfer your coins, or change your wallet address to receive the next batch of coin to be transferred. And so many people ask, how do I do that? Very simple. Log in into your Pi mining app. Go to Minute Checklist, the third menu. Confirm your wallet or your Pi wallet. Click on it and you'll be shown a box. Now, the new wallet address that you create, put the 24 words into that box. Verification will be sent to your email, verify, and you are there and you have changed your wallet from the old one to a new one. That is how simple it is. If this deep dive saved your wallet, let's help other pioneers. Drop a comment, share your security tips or your close call story. Your experience could save someone's coins. And do one thing that will cost you nothing. Smash that like button to spread this critical knowledge. And subscribe to Crypto Talk if you haven't done so. That costs absolutely free. Please like this video, share this video. This is Edwin, your crypto guide. Stay vigilant, stay secure. Let's build the future of Pi together. Let me see you again in another video. Peace. I'm out.